we have a great responsibility. With every product we produce, we facilitate the daily work of producers and increase the yield and milk quality of animals. When a milk producer's respect for his business meets a brand's responsibility for its business, a worldwide success story emerges. In this journey from farm to table, we continue to grow with our passion for our business.
We are proud to have become a giant factory producing at world standards.
In our modern work environment, every team member focuses on understanding the needs of our customers and providing expert solutions in their area of specialization. At the heart of everything we do lies our responsibility to the farmer and our deep respect for their work. Designing farmers' dreams is part of our mission. With feasibility studies, farm planning, and turnkey farm solutions, Kurtsan delivers the vision of modern livestock farming to its customers. We carry out every stage of production within our own factory, standing behind every product we manufacture. Our factory, accredited to international standards, operates with ISO 9001, TSE, CE, and EAC certifications. With a manufacturing approach that minimizes human error, we are committed to delivering the highest quality products at all times. From herd management solutions to milking systems, from barn equipment to animal comfort solutions, from calf care to manure management, Kurtsan is a group of companies serving farmers worldwide with a comprehensive product portfolio. We are building a sustainable infrastructure for future generations through environmentally friendly practices such as a zero-waste policy, electric charging stations, and solar energy systems in our factory. With reliable solutions offered to farmers in over 70 countries, we continue to make a difference. Every drop of milk matters to us. From small family farms to professional dairy operations, we analyze each farm's specific needs and deliver the most suitable solutions.